early morning. It's not really early, but it's 6:30. Waiting on a buddy to show up. There he is, right there, pulling in. So today, December the 22nd, I believe it is. We're let me tell him what to do. You can just park right there. We're gonna go out and do some jobs today. So me and him have another friend who picked up a trailer last Friday, and he's already done some work with it, and which is really cool. He's putting money in his pocket right before Christmas. I think he's made like a little chunk already. So today he's got another couple jobs. So hey, we'll go with you and help you out and get some footage and all that good stuff. Let you guys come along for the ride. So we're gonna go do, I think it's 2 jobs today. Try to get them done pretty quick. We're getting an early start. The guys in the shop are gonna be finishing up. Several today should be finished, and we're working tomorrow, so we're taking Friday off, Christmas Eve. We're going to be taking all of next week off. We do that every year, but we are finishing up. We're doing great in the shop, I will say that. Working 4 days this week. We're going to build 5 units in 4 days, so I can't complain with that at all. Doing really good. We're also taking along with us today Mud Mayday. This is our red mud chemical. This is some of our new one of our new chems in our chemical lineup that we're going to be rolling out in January. I think we've got half a dozen or so chemicals that we've been messing around with, experimenting with. We've got them in stock. Emily's getting set up for hazmat shipping, so January 1st, the 3rd, when we're back from the holidays, all that stuff should be ready to roll out. It's going to be a respiratory morning. I ain't going to put you on camera. I know you ain't trying to be on camera. He ain't even gonna say nothing over there. Like, no, dog, don't film me. All right, well, there he does. There he is. He ain't gonna say nothing too early. So we're gonna go do some. All right, guys, take a quick look here at the trailer unit. We've got our 5.5 gallon per minute pressure washer, and we've got 2 soft wash systems here on this trailer. We're only gonna need one of those today, and that's what we're doing here, is using that soft wash system to apply our chemical mixture. If you look above his head here, we'll see this portion of the back deck has got a roof over it. So that's going to keep it a lot cleaner. It's just not getting moisture like this side here. Exposed, no roof, so it's getting damp and wet all the time. Perfect breeding ground for organic growth. Take a look at this fence. Little accent, kind of Better Homes and Gardens looking fence. And it's really nasty, and we're going to clean it up. So it cleans up good. Guys, let me be honest. I hate doing wood cleaning jobs. Wood is its own beast. Like, you have to really know what you're doing. There'll be a link down in the description for the wood mastery class from the guys, my cohorts over at the Core 4, if you want to learn more about wood cleaning the proper way. Looking at this exposed section of the deck, you can see it was really bad. So we treated it about a 2.5, 3% mix, somewhere in there between 2 and 3. Pre-wet, let it dwell, wand it off. If you want to go the extra mile with oxalic acid, you can. It's a neutralizer and a wood brightener. I hate doing wood, even though this one turned out pretty good. All right, guys, we're on our second job for the day. I got some footage at the last job. I didn't really, I didn't talk on camera there, but I did get some footage, so you guys already saw that. But job number 2 for the day, we're doing roof cleaning here and a little bit of the siding. It's not a full house wash, but just some touch-ups on there, which you have to be careful about because normally that just turns into a house wash. So. And then we're doing the driveway. So I got a circular driveway. So pretty good day. System's working great. Got one of our trailer builds right here. So Smart Blend Pro on this one, 5 gallon a minute pressure washer, 2 soft wash systems. Both of those are 12 volt. So making pretty quick work of it this morning. It's about lunchtime now. We'll only be here probably an hour, and we'll be done for the day. So it is nice. I don't normally get to do this, but get out in the field and kind of touch our equipment as it's out in the field with a guy, because normally we got guys all over the country and I just can't do that, but these guys are local. So it's his trailer, picked it up last Friday and we've used it today, kind of putting it through its paces. Yep. What do you think? Did that first job?
It's simple, man. It's the way everything's laid out and the way that you taught us in the training. I mean, it's black and white. There's no gray areas. Yeah. You either, get your mixture right on whatever surface it may be, and then you put it on, wash it off if you need to, and let it go.
So 2 jobs today. Like, I don't know exactly. It's his numbers. I ain't gonna get into that, but call it a $1,500 day. Pretty easy. Total work hours.
Got work for tomorrow off the first job.
Right. Upsold a driveway on the first job. So he's doing everything right. It's very cool to watch it, you know, to see the fruition of concept. Wanted to get into it, talked about it a lot, built the trailer out, picked up the trailer, and now, like, you know, seeing the whole thing come full circle is very cool for me. So, all right, I'll get some B-roll here. Check it out. All right, guys, right here, Trey's using the 12 volt, putting a mixture up there on the dormers, just kind of clean those up a little bit. And if you look closely, you'll see some missing paint. I want to make sure we make a note of that before we begin the job. Another shot here, no issues getting the peak with that 12 volt. We also cleaned up the driveway. The driveway had been done about 10, 12 months ago by a chuck in a truck. So we came out today and did it the right way, got them a freshly cleaned up driveway. Looks great.